Muffuletta Madness, Real N'awlins Delight. Get ready to experience a taste sensation straight from the heart of New Orleans with the iconic Real N'awlins Muffuletta. This legendary sandwich is a celebration of flavors and cultures, blending Italian and Creole influences into a mouth-watering delight that's perfect for sharing. Our recipe creates a generous muffuletta that serves 4 hungry food enthusiasts, making it a fantastic centerpiece for picnics, parties, or simply indulging in a taste of the Big Easy at home. Ingredients: for the olive salad, 1 cup chopped green olives, with pimentos, 1 cup chopped black olives, 1 cup chopped giardiniera, Italian pickled vegetables, ½ cup roasted red bell peppers, chopped, 1/4 cup chopped pepperoncini, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, salt and black pepper to taste. For the muffuletta, 1 round loaf of Italian bread, about 10 inches in diameter, ½ pound thinly sliced Genoa salami, ½ pound thinly sliced ham, ½ pound thinly sliced provolone cheese, ½ pound thinly sliced Swiss cheese. Instructions: prepare the olive salad. In a large bowl, combine the chopped green olives, black olives, giardiniera, roasted red bell peppers, pepperoncini, minced garlic, and chopped parsley. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Mix well to combine all the flavors. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or overnight for the best flavor infusion. Assemble the muffuletta. Slice the round loaf of Italian bread horizontally, creating a top and bottom half. Hollow out some of the soft bread from both halves to create space for the filling without making the sandwich too dense. Layer the fillings. Spread a generous amount of the prepared olive salad on the bottom half of the bread. Layer the thinly sliced Genoa salami, ham, provolone cheese, and Swiss cheese evenly over the olive salad. Top and press. Place the top half of the bread over the layered fillings, creating a sandwich. Press down gently but firmly to compress the layers together. Wrap and chill. Wrap the assembled muffuletta tightly in plastic wrap or foil. Place a heavy object like a cast iron skillet or a couple of canned goods on top to weigh it down. Refrigerate the wrapped muffuletta for at least 2 hours or overnight. This helps meld the flavors and allows the sandwich to hold together for slicing. Slice and serve. Unwrap the chilled muffuletta and use a sharp knife to slice it into wedges or thick slices. Serve and enjoy the explosion of flavors in every bite. Why you'll love it. The Real N'awlins Muffuletta is a culinary masterpiece that brings together bold flavors and textures in a sandwich like no other. The tangy and briny olive salad, paired with layers of savory salami, ham, and melty cheeses, creates a symphony of taste that dance on your palate. The crusty Italian bread holds everything together while adding its own delightful crunch. This sandwich is not just a meal, it's a culinary journey through the vibrant streets of New Orleans, where food is a celebration of life and culture. Whether you're hosting a gathering or craving a taste of Louisiana, the muffuletta is sure to impress and satisfy even the most discerning food enthusiasts. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, culinary inspirations, and cooking adventures that bring the flavors of the world to your kitchen. Join our community of food lovers and explore the endless possibilities of gastronomic delights.